Hello everyone, and thank you for joining me for this CPD seminar on misleading conduct in commercial transactions for CPD for me. My name is Erik Young. I'm a barrister. A very large proportion of my practice relates to commercial litigation, and as a part of that, a significant part of it, misleading conduct cases form a part of my area of practice. And so I've been asked to do this seminar because it has such a wide range of application to an array of different aspects of commercial practice, whether it's litigation or not. It can deal with buying and selling of businesses. That can include both by way of shares or assets, or a combination of both. It can relate to negotiation and entering into of supply agreements as between various businesses, whether you are the supplier or whether you are the purchaser of products supplied. Commercial leases, obviously a major part of most business operations, and the purchase of property for business purposes. We're not dealing with residential type property purchases today. And of course, there's also the wide range of commercial transactions involving financial services, whether it's the trade in financial products, the selling of financial products, the creation and marketing of them to purchasers where they are retail investors or wholesale investors. Misleading conduct in commercial transactions obviously covers a very wide field, and today I'll be dealing with some of the key concepts that are important to have in mind when you are entering into commercial transactions and conducting negotiations in relation to them, because if careful attention is not paid to some of these core fundamental underlying aspects of the law, then invariably it can give rise to very real practical consequences, both in terms of negotiations, but also in potential litigation. And of course, most people wish to avoid litigation if at all possible.